How to achieve a clear Korean glass skin. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your dull and lifeless skin? Do you dream of having that flawless, luminous Korean glass skin? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'll be sharing some fabulous tips on how to achieve that glass skin. So get ready to glow like a K-drama star. This video will tackle 3 parts. What is Korean glass skin? Skincare routine for achieving glass skin. Makeup tips for enhancing glass skin. Let's start. What is Korean glass skin? Korean glass skin is a skin trend that originated in South Korea, where people strive to achieve a complexion so clear and transparent, it looks like glass. Yes, you heard that right, glass. It's all about having a radiant, poreless, and dewy complexion that reflects light like a mirror. Imagine looking in the mirror and thinking, wow, I could blind someone with this glow. Korean skincare enthusiasts have perfected the art of achieving glass skin through a meticulously crafted skincare routine. It's not just about slapping on some moisturizer and calling it a day. This is a whole process that requires commitment, patience, and a genuine love for skincare. Skincare routine for achieving glass skin. The key to achieving glass skin lies in a multi-step skincare routine that focuses on cleansing, exfoliating, hydrating, toning, and moisturizing. Wait, did I just say multi-step? Well, yes, I did. But don't worry, it's not as complicated and time-consuming as it sounds. Plus, the results are totally worth it. Trust me. First things first, cleansing is key. This is the foundation of any good skincare routine. Cleanse away the dirt, oil, and any traces of makeup, and let your skin breathe. But don't just stop at any old cleanser. Go for gentle cleansers that won't strip away your natural oils or leave your skin feeling tight. Double cleansing is a popular method in Korean skincare, which involves using an oil cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser to ensure a thorough clean. Next up, exfoliation. Scrub away those dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, radiant skin beneath. But remember, everything in moderation. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. Over-exfoliating can do more harm than good, so be gentle with your precious skin. And speaking of toner, don't forget to tone it up. Toning is another crucial step in your glass skin routine. It helps balance the pH levels of your skin, tighten your pores, and preps it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Look for toners that are gentle and alcohol-free to avoid any unnecessary drying or irritation. Now let's talk hydration, shall we? Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. No, I'm not talking about drinking 8 cups of water a day, although that's important too. Your skin needs all the moisture it can get to stay plump, supple, and glassy. Slather on an essence like you're painting a masterpiece. Let your skin soak it all in. Now let's talk about serums. These little powerhouses are packed with potent ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Apply a serum that suits your needs, whether it's brightening, anti-aging, or hydrating. You'll be amazed at how these concentrated formulas work to give your skin that extra glow. You can also look for serums packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hyaluronic acid, all of which are great for achieving that radiant, glass-like glow. And of course, we can't forget about moisturizing. This is a step you simply cannot afford to skip if you want to achieve glass skin. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type and contains nourishing ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, peptides, and antioxidants. Massage it into your skin using gentle upward strokes. This will not only help nourish and strengthen your skin barrier and hydrate your skin, but also improve blood circulation and leave you with a healthy, radiant complexion. Sheet masks are like a little weekly treat for your skin. They provide an intense hydration boost and can leave your skin looking plumper and more radiant. Choose sheet masks that target your specific skin concerns, whether it's brightening, pore minimization, or hydration. Plus, they're a great excuse to relax and indulge in some self-care. Now, let's talk about the importance of SPF. Sun protection is crucial in any skincare routine in the morning, especially if you want to maintain that glass-like complexion. UV rays can cause damage and premature aging, so choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously every single day, rain or shine. Lastly, your diet and lifestyle habits play a crucial role in the health of your skin. Eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and reducing stress levels can all help give your skin that natural glow that complements your glass-like complexion. Makeup tips for enhancing glass skin. It's time to go into the world of makeup and enhance that mesmerizing Korean glass skin of yours. We all want that radiant, flawless complexion that looks like we just stepped out of a skincare commercial. Well, I'm going to guide you how to achieve the makeup look to complement your glass skin. So grab your makeup brushes and let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by prepping the face. Before applying any makeup, it's crucial to have a clean and moisturized face. So cleanse your skin thoroughly, put a lightweight moisturizer, and follow it up with a sunscreen and primer. This step ensures that your makeup goes on smoothly and sits well throughout the day. When it comes to achieving a natural look, less is definitely more. Opt for a minimal foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Avoid heavy coverage or cakey formulas that may hide your glass skin's natural luminosity. Instead, go for a lightweight sheer foundation or a tinted moisturizer. Apply it sparingly, focusing on areas that need additional coverage, like redness or blemishes. Now, let's focus on achieving those natural-looking brows that frame your face effortlessly. Instead of harsh lines or overly defined arches, aim for a soft and feathery look. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas, following the natural shape of your brows. Brush them upwards with a spoolie to create that coveted fluffy appearance. Voila! You've just perfected the no-makeup look for your brows. Moving on to adding a flush of color to your cheeks. Blush is your best friend in this journey. Opt for soft, natural shades that mimic a natural flush. Smile and gently apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it towards your temples. This will give you a healthy, youthful glow and enhance your glass skin's freshness. Now, let's talk about that ethereal glow that instantly grabs attention. To achieve that, a dewy highlighter is your secret weapon. Swipe a cream or liquid highlighter along the high points of your face, the cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of your nose. Blend it in gently with your fingertips or a beauty blender for a natural, lit-from-within radiance. You'll be the embodiment of a glorious glass skin goddess. Finally, let's complete the look with a glossy touch to those luscious lips. Choose a lip gloss or a tinted lip balm with a sheer finish. Dab it onto your lips for a subtle tint and a hydrated, plump effect. The glossy finish will tie everything together, adding a touch of allure to your glass skin makeup. Remember, the key is to embrace and enhance your skin's natural beauty, rather than mask it with heavy makeup. So, go forth and rock that barely there makeup look with confidence and a dash of playfulness. After all, makeup should be fun and an expression of your unique style. So you've made it to the end of this video? Congratulations! You've successfully survived the endless stream of tips, tricks, and beauty advice. Now it's time for you to embark on your own glass skin adventure. Take these tips, make them your own, and let your skin glow like never before. Good luck!